Welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to draw a cute humpback whale. To begin, you'll need something to draw with. Let's get started! Humpback whales are really big, so we're going to make a big humpback whale that takes up most of the page. Yours could be small, but mine's going to be really big just to show you. To start, we're going to make a curved line that goes from left to right, kind of like a sideways J. Starting here and making our way down and going across and then a little bit up towards the back of the tail. It also kind of looks like a fishing hook. All right, now we're going to draw the top of the humpback whale. So this is going to kind of have an archway and then it comes down. An arch over and then down. So I'm going to take that line for a roller coaster. But we're not going to touch the back of the other line. So I'm going to go over and down. And then right there, we're going to stop. We want to leave some space in the back for the tail. So for the tail, you're going to make a curved line going upward. Very slight curve right there. We're going to make another slight curve going the opposite direction for the bottom. And now we're going to make kind of like a very arched V shape. So we're going to go curve there to the middle. Then we're going to make another curve going to the other side. Curve upward, that arch. There we go. So the body shape is done for the humpback whale. Let's get some of these features on there. To start, we're going to make a V shape for the fin. So we're going to go curved like a U shape. And then we'll make another curve, an arch curve. Arch is upward. There you go. And connecting it right there. Let's continue our journey making this whale. So we're going to make the eye next. So just a cute little circle on the left-hand side, right above where that curved line is. There it is. Make it one. You can color it in. You can leave a little white in there. And then we're going to make another circle right where the fin begins. Let's make a big smile in between the two eyes. There we go. Next, we're going to make accordion lines because humpback whales have such big mouths that they have these accordion necks that expand when they catch fish. Did you know that a humpback whale can swallow a whole car? That's how big they are. It's amazing. Okay, so we're making these curved shapes. I'm making about like 5 of them. You can make 3 of them, 5 of them, 7 of them, however you want. I'm just making a couple of them right here. Here's number 4. I'm going to make one more right above in between the smile and the fin. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, you don't have to do 5. You can do as many as you want. Now I'm going to draw one curved line just to kind of separate the top of the body from the bottom. Right there. And kind of connects with that last one. Our humpback whale is complete. I hope you enjoyed drawing it with me today. Let's get ready to color! Don't forget to like and please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications.